Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about FBC, Firebreak error code 20001 and 22021. The error reads, connection error, connection lost to back-end. As per the research, the error appears during matches and causes players to get disconnected. Users have reported getting this error every single match, making the game unplayable. According to our research, the error is likely caused by connection issues, DNS settings, or temporary problems from the server side. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet. Once both are restarted, launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if there is any update available for FBC, Firebreak. If yes, install the update and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists and you're using a PlayStation, try changing the DNS settings to manual and then switching them back to auto. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try connecting over a different network or mobile hotspot and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.